Hey, what's going on, basketball world, basketball lovers, basketball fans? Man, we just witnessed the downfall of Denver. You know what? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I picked Denver to repeat as NBA champions. I thought they were going to go back to back, but man, I was wrong on that one. Man, I mean, Anthony Edwards is a force of nature. I called it last year. I said he deserved a max contract, and nobody believed me. But in the last 12 months, Anthony Edwards has taken the NBA by storm. I mean, you go on social media, you see people comparing him to Michael Jordan, all at the age of 22 years old. He's something, man. I mean, he's the strongest person at his position at 6'3", 6'4". He's the fastest. He could jump the highest. I mean, he strikes fear in the defenders' hearts. His impact on the game, I mean, we've never seen anything like this since Derrick Rose back in the Chicago days in 2011 when he was the youngest MVP of all time. But man, Anthony Edwards is a force of nature. I mean, this is craziness. But the crown is for the taking. The crown is for the taking. So, Dallas, you guys better be paying attention because Anthony Edwards is the real deal. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this video. And we're going to cover the playoffs. We got the Western Conference playoffs remaining. We got the Eastern Conference playoffs remaining. So, a lot more basketball to soak up. But I just want to drop this video to tell you guys, man, Anthony Edwards is a force of nature. He's like Captain Planet when they said, wind, water, fire, go planet. He's something else, man. But hey, guys, thanks for tuning in to this video. We're going to drop more videos for you guys during these playoffs. Hey, it's your man, Mike. I'll be back. And until next time, be safe. Peace. Peace.